2026 is the year of the horse, and this isn't just another year. It's a period driven by speed, bold decisions, and powerful transformation. In Chinese astrology, the horse represents action, energy, and fearless movement, which means this year rewards those who stop waiting and start doing. But here's the truth. Not everyone will experience the same level of luck. Some zodiac signs are perfectly aligned with this fast-moving energy, making 2026 a breakthrough year for success, money, and opportunity. Starting with the dog, this is finally your comeback year. After facing challenges in recent cycles, 2026 brings stronger relationships, loyal partnerships, and emotional stability. You'll start seeing progress in both career and personal life, especially when you trust your instincts and stay honest. Next is the goat, rising quietly but powerfully. This year enhances your creativity and opens doors in unexpected ways, especially in areas like art, travel, and personal growth. Financial opportunities may appear suddenly, but your success will depend on staying emotionally balanced and not rushing decisions. Then comes the tiger, one of the most naturally aligned signs with the horse's fiery energy. In 2026, your courage and ambition are amplified, bringing opportunities for leadership, recognition, and major career growth. This is your time to take risks, but smart ones. Acting too impulsively could undo your progress, so balance confidence with strategy. Now, if you're a horse, this is your year, but it's a double-edged sword. While you'll experience expansion, passion, and exciting new beginnings, your zodiac year can also bring instability if you let pride take over. Stay grounded, stay humble, and you'll turn this into one of your most powerful years yet. And finally, the luckiest sign of 2026, the dragon. This is your moment to dominate. Your natural charisma and determination align perfectly with the energy of the horse, bringing wealth, recognition, and transformation. Opportunities will find you, hidden talents will surface, and long-awaited goals can finally become reality. But even with all this luck, success will depend on your willingness to act boldly and trust your inner fire. As 2026 unfolds, remember this: luck is not something you wait for, it's something you create through action. The energy of a year of the horse rewards speed, courage, and decisiveness. If you move with purpose, take calculated risks, and stay consistent, you won't just follow opportunities, you'll attract them. Because in 2026, fortune doesn't wait, it runs.